Hi, my name's Cassie Suche, and I recently completed my 3-month residency working on a project at the Fuse 33 makerspace. Having access to Fuse 33 has been such an asset for me. It's just a really comprehensive workshop with so many different machines and tools available. Having that all in one space is just a huge help for when I'm working on something that involves a lot of different processes and a lot of different steps. It's also just a really nice community of people who are super keen to share their knowledge and offer support in any way that they can. The pieces that I worked on throughout this residency are an extension of a previous body of work that I have worked on. The forms that I made here are cast actually from scrap pieces that I found in the Fuse 33 wood shop. And I sanded them and worked on the shapes in the wood shop, and after I cast them, I photographed them in the Fuse 33 photography studio.